Hello, dear student. Standard 9, chapter number 1, number system. This is class 3 of chapter number 1, number systems. In previous two class, we have learned number systems, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, real number, rational numbers, irrational numbers. In this video, we will learn the rational numbers. So what is the rational number? A number cannot form in p by q form. Number cannot form p by q. Any number is not form p by q. In that case, your number is an irrational number. That is your first point. Example, under root 2 is an irrational number. You cannot find the under root, square root of 2. So you cannot find the square root of 2 means the 2 is square root of 2 is irrational numbers. Square root 3 is irrational numbers. Square root 5, square root 7, square root 11 are the irrational numbers. In the second example, in many cases, if you dividing, suppose 10 by 3. So if you divide 3 3s are 9, you remainder 1. Again put this additional 0 means a decimal. 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. 3 3s are 9. 1 is remainder. 3 3s are 9. 1 is remainder. 3 3s are 9. 1 is remainder. 3 3 3 3 3 3. So this type of number is called non-recurring. Okay, non-recurring numbers. So in irrational numbers, non-terminating, recurring, two type of numbers: non-terminating, non-recurring, and non-terminating recurring. Okay, so non-terminating non-recurring means, in suppose 10 by 3, answer is 3 by 3.33333, means a repetition of 3. So this type of number is called non-terminating recurring, means repetition is there, and non-terminating means end is not there. You cannot non-terminating means it's continuous. So this type of number is a rational numbers, but non-terminating non-recurring. Non-terminating non-recurring numbers are irrational numbers. This is the very important. Okay, so what is the example of non-terminating non-recurring? Like a value of pi. Suppose value of pi, any values, let's take 1.432866. This number is called non-terminating. Okay, continuous, and then non-recurring means repetition is not there. So this type of number is irrational numbers. Okay, so my dear student, always keep in your mind, irrational numbers means if you cannot find the square root, it is irrational numbers. Non-terminating non-recurring number is a irrational numbers. Okay, now the few irrational numbers are represent on the number line. The next topic is, the first topic is completed. What is, we have learned what is the irrational numbers. Now the second topic is irrational number represent on number lines. Okay, irrational number represent on the number line. First, what is the number lines? When we are in 6 or 7 standards, we draw the lines. In middle is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and 5. So represent minus 3, 2, 4 and 5 represent on number line. So we did, this one is minus 3, this is my 2, this is my 4 and 5. But here your number is, in this case the number is a rational. But irrational number, how to represent on the number lines, we will learn. Okay, see, suppose first take root 2. Okay, so you should know this square. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25. Okay, so this number is in the form of right like root a is equal to p square plus q square. Okay, so what is the p and q in this case? Square. You should write the any number here and maintain the equality. So what is here? So you can write 1 and 2. You getting square of 1 is 1, 2 square is 4, answer is 5. Here square and square root cancel, equality is not there. So means number is 1 and 2 is here, not 1 and 1. See, now check the equality. So 1 square and square root cancel, 2. Now square of 1, square of 1. So equality is there, 2 and 2. So my two numbers are 1 and 1. Okay, first find the two number. The square of two number, the sum of square of two number is a 2. Okay, so the numbers are 1 and 1. So you can draw the line segment 1 centimeter long. Okay, now the one number, my first number is 1, so draw the line segment with a length of 1 centimeter. Now vertical at 90 degree against 1 centimeter long you can draw. Okay, now take the protectors, rounders A, B and C. Consider A as a center and AC as a radii and draw the arc. So here your answer is a 2, root 2, and this one is also your answer is a root 2. Okay, now let's do the second sum, root 3. Root 3. So what is the two numbers? First find, if you take the 1, so 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, so 2 means no. Number is root 2 and 1. Square and square root cancel, 2 and 1 square 1, equality is there. Okay, so here you should write the square root of 2. Square root of 2, how to draw, you already know, I taught you. First take root 2. Root 2 means, root 2 square means 1 square and 1 square. So लाइन सेगमेंट बनाओ 1 सेंटीमीटर लंबा और 90 डिग्री हो, वहां पे एक 1 सेंटीमीटर ये बना दो, ज्वाइंट करो, ये हो जाएगा आपका रूट 2. फिर यहाँ से 90 डिग्री हो, 90 डिग्री अगर बनाना नहीं आता है तो यू कैन ड्रॉ विथ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल आपके पास होगा, वो यहाँ पे रखिए तो यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा. तो वो वापस 1 और 1 से हो गया. ओके, और रूट 2 अभी क्या करना है, रूट 2 हो गया और 1 से करना है, ये हो जाएगा आपका रूट 3. फिर यहाँ से आप ए बी सी एंड डी, कंसीडर ए एज अ सेंटर एंड ड्रॉ द आर्क. You getting the value of this length of the line segment is root 3. Your answer is root 3. Okay, but see in your book you should take the AB such that the 1 centimeter long. Okay, now I will do the third sum, root 5. Root 5 is easy. Root 5 is equal to which two number? Sum of square of two numbers. So 2 and 1. 2 square of 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 5. 4 plus 1 5. So my number is 2 and 1. Okay, fine. You can draw 2 centimeter. Again 1 centimeter with an angle 90. Draw hypotenuse, and the length of hypotenuse is root 5. A, B and C, consider A as a center and draw the arc, and the length of this line segment is also root 5. Okay, so you are here. Example number, not example, root 5 is done. Now let's try root 7. Okay, so root 7 means 4. 4 means square of 2 and square root of 3. Square root of 3. You getting the square of 2 is 4. Square and square root cancel. 3. I got 7. Okay, correct. So what is the root 3? Root 3 is a square of root 2. Square of root 3 is square of root 2 plus 1. Okay, what is the square root of 2? 1 and 1 square. Okay, do the process when you get the rational number. This is irrational, so I got the rational integers. I got the integers, so stop here and now draw 1 and 1. You getting the 2, so 1 and here 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. This is your root 2. Now 1 and 1 is done. Now root 2 and 1. Again this one 90 degree. The angle should be 90. Draw the hypotenuse. Is your root 3. Okay. Now root 3 and 2. 2. You getting root 7. The length of A, B, C, D, E. This is A. This is the length of root 7. Okay. Now root 11. Root 11, I think do yourself. It's a very easy. Root 11. So the nearest number is 9. So 3 square plus root 2 square. 3 square of 3 is 9. Square of root 2 is 2. You getting the 11. Okay, and here square and square root cancel. And root 2 is equal to 1 and 1 square. Okay, now you can draw very easily. So my dear student, in this video we learn irrational numbers on the irrational number represent on the number line. It's a quite difficult क्या है कि ऐसे दो नंबर मिलना कि जिसका स्क्वायर होके ये नंबर बने, वैसा दो नंबर आपको फाइंड करने को आना चाहिए. अगर वो फाइंड करने को वो नंबर क्या होना चाहिए, इंटीजर्स होना चाहिए. इरेशनल नंबर से और वापस ऐसा बनाओ. तो हियर आई होप you understand. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.